Never eat pickle with this cause vision loss. 5 worst pickle combos for vision. 1. Pickles plus processed meats, e.g. hot dogs, salami. The combination of pickles and processed meats, such as hot dogs, salami, or bacon, might seem like a delicious treat, but it can have a hidden impact on your vision. Processed meats are loaded with nitrates and nitrites, chemical compounds used to preserve the meat and enhance its flavor. When you pair these with the high sodium content of pickles, you create a perfect storm that increases inflammation in your body. Here's why that's dangerous for your eyes. Inflammation can disrupt the delicate blood vessels in your eyes, particularly in the retina, which is responsible for your ability to see clearly. Over time, this can lead to conditions like macular degeneration, or even contribute to optic nerve damage. Additionally, the combined sodium levels from both pickles and processed meats can raise your blood pressure, further restricting blood flow to the eyes. This means essential nutrients and oxygen can't reach the retina as effectively, potentially leading to long-term vision problems. If you're frequently pairing pickles with processed meats, it's time to reconsider. Instead, try replacing processed meats with lean protein options like grilled chicken or turkey, which don't carry the same risks to your eye health. 2. Pickles plus sugary drinks, soda/juice. Pairing pickles with sugary drinks like soda or fruit juice might seem harmless, but this combination can quietly harm your vision over time. Here's why. Sugary drinks cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. When combined with the high acidity and sodium content of pickles, this creates a cascade of issues for your eye health. The sudden blood sugar spike can damage the delicate blood vessels in your retina, the part of your eye responsible for sharp, clear vision. Over time, repeated damage to these vessels increases your risk of diabetic retinopathy, a condition that can lead to vision loss, even if you're not diabetic. Additionally, the high acidity of pickles can disrupt your body's pH balance when paired with sugar-laden drinks, amplifying oxidative stress. This stress accelerates cellular damage, including the cells in your eyes. Together, these factors create an environment where your eyes are more vulnerable to long-term harm. If you enjoy pickles, it's better to pair them with water or herbal teas instead of sugary beverages. These alternatives help balance the sodium and acidity without adding stress to your blood sugar levels, supporting your eye health in the long run. 3. Pickles plus deep-fried foods. Pairing pickles with deep-fried foods like fries, chicken wings, or onion rings might be a tempting snack, but it's a combination that can wreak havoc on your vision. Deep-fried foods are loaded with saturated fats and trans fats, which contribute to oxidative stress in your body. When combined with the high sodium and acidity of pickles, this creates the perfect storm for damage to your eye health. Here's what happens. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. This stress targets cells throughout your system, including the delicate tissues in your eyes. Over time, it can lead to the breakdown of your retina, the light-sensitive layer that allows you to see clearly. Additionally, the sodium in pickles combined with the unhealthy fats in fried foods can elevate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This reduces the blood flow and essential nutrients reaching your eyes, further impairing their ability to function optimally. For the sake of your vision, avoid this harmful combo. Instead, opt for healthier pairings like pickles with fresh salads or roasted vegetables. These alternatives are not only delicious, but also provide the antioxidants your eyes need to stay healthy and strong. 4. Pickles plus alcohol. Pairing pickles with alcohol might seem like a classic combination, but it can quietly harm your eye health over time. Alcohol is a known diuretic, meaning it causes dehydration by increasing the loss of fluids from your body. When you combine this with the high sodium content of pickles, the dehydration effect is amplified, leading to an imbalance in essential nutrients critical for maintaining healthy vision. Dehydration affects the production of tears, which are essential for keeping your eyes lubricated and protected. Without proper hydration, your eyes can become dry and irritated, making them more susceptible to damage. Furthermore, alcohol disrupts the absorption of key nutrients like vitamin A, zinc, and other antioxidants that are vital for the health of your retina and overall vision. Pickles, while tasty, are high in sodium, which can elevate your blood pressure when consumed in excess. High blood pressure reduces the blood flow to the tiny vessels in your eyes, increasing the risk of retinal damage and vision loss. If you're enjoying alcohol, it's better to avoid salty snacks like pickles. Instead, pair your drink with hydrating options like cucumber slices or fresh fruit, which can help counterbalance the dehydrating effects of alcohol and support your eye health. 5. Pickles plus excess cheese, high-fat dairy. Combining pickles with excess cheese or other high-fat dairy products might be a comfort food favorite, but it can have long-term consequences for your vision. Pickles are loaded with sodium, and cheese, especially in large quantities, is high in saturated fats. Together, this sodium-fat combination can negatively impact your eye health in several ways. Excess sodium increases blood pressure, while saturated fats contribute to clogged arteries and reduce circulation. When combined, these factors restrict blood flow to the retina, the part of your eye that processes light and helps you see clearly. Over time, this lack of proper blood supply can lead to retinal damage, impairing your vision and increasing your risk of conditions like macular degeneration. Moreover, a diet high in saturated fats and sodium promotes inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can accelerate the aging process of your eyes. This can further weaken the delicate tissues needed for clear vision. To protect your eyes, enjoy pickles in moderation and pair them with healthier options like fresh vegetables, whole grains, or lean proteins. Reducing your intake of high-fat, high-sodium combinations is a small change that can make a big difference in preserving your vision over the long term. Thanks for watching.